In the previous video, we have seen how to turn on noise cancelling on AirPods Pro in 3 ways, but cannot turn on when only one AirPod is in your ear. Here's the solution. First, connect your AirPods Pro to your iPhone. If you are new, check this video on how to pair first. Once paired with your iPhone, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll to the Bluetooth option and tap the I button next to your connected AirPods name. As you can see, I can't turn on noise cancellation because only one AirPod's into ear. Now scroll to the accessibility option and turn on toggle noise cancellation with one AirPod. That's it. Now go back and check again. This setting works for me. If it still doesn't, reset AirPods Pro first and try again. Please don't forget to share your feedback in the comment box. Please like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos.